So we're back out here with the old Cobalt project car. As you see, we got the back door panels stripped. You saw the video, we were redoing those. But I want to show you this, okay? I wanted to do a comparison between 3 different fabric and upholstery cleaners to see which one worked the best. And this interior, as we know, is fucking disgusting. Beyond belief. But there's a reason, I'm sure, why this nasty old blanket is on this premium seat. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's stuck to it. Oh, that is awful. Ugh. That is fucking disgusting. I don't even want to touch it, but I have to take this thing out. Oh, look. Oh, that is mold, guys. What the flying fuck? Ugh. Well, here we go. Oh, it fucking stinks. I don't even... Ugh. I don't even want to touch it. I know there's a trick to this. Down. Ugh. Can't believe I'm fucking dry. This is like wrong. Like, there's one. Ugh. Ugh. Sorry. This is bad though. Like on a scale of 1 to fucking yuck, this is extra fucking yuck. Oh yeah, fucking clean car. Clean car, they say. Oh, let me out of this fucking thing. Right. Oh my god. Oh, that was awful. Hold on. And all this fucking chum and num-nums. Like, what the fuck? Like, somebody was driving this. That's disgusting. Ugh. Yeah, let's not buy a car sight unseen ever again. That's fucking wrong. Wrong. Dylan and my boy here, and they're gonna help with the experiment. See, Dylan, I've just already told them how we're setting it up. I want to try all the different 4 of these, see which one works better, and we're gonna do a section of each. It won't be totally scientific, but we'll like fog it and just let it sit. And then after, when we scrub it, we'll see which spot one took the most out.
That looks moldy.
It is moldy. There's straight up mold growing on it. Johnny, what are you doing?
You're not getting down.
All right. So we're gonna start on this end and work our way that way with our cleaners. Ha ha.
can't stand remover. Definitely. I'm gonna go I'm right back. Dick? Are you taking Where's the dick? Where am I fucking doing? Don't you like love people? What the fuck? Balls everywhere. Disgusting. That's bronze, dude. That's nasty. It's really good. It's really good. What the hell is he? That's gross. Yeah, that. You made that shit wrong fucking way, dude. Oh well. Yeah, you can pick that shit up. What are you playing with that shit for?
My camera focuses. If it ever focuses. Focus! There we go. So after... There we go. So after trying all three of these, scrubbing the hell out of it and vacuum it, it still looks like booty flakes. But out of all three cleaners, this one won. This one clearly did the best. This is the Turtle Wax Power Out Upholstery Cleaner. Obviously it makes sense because this is upholstery, but that's the carpet cleaner. Apparently it's got a different formula in it because it didn't do shit. And here's the quick and easy all-in-one, which was the second best. But out of the level of disgustingness, it's still disgusting, it's this. And then Dylan shows up after I was struggling with this with some industrial grade, what's it called?
Monster foam.
Monster foam. And, you know, it's gonna kick this thing's ass. So let's spray some of that on, see what happens. Dang! Let that stuff go. Fucking, yeah, get it. Dig in. That stuff's awesome, bro. Look at it go. I feel like I just wasted my, like, 20 minutes of my life because I feel like this. Well, god damn it!
Get your shit up out the way.
Well, I mean, okay. Look at you go. We'll be back after Dylan scrubs. Hi, Johnny. Comparison between 3 different kinds of cleaners. Well, that didn't work. This thing won't focus. I guess.
Put your hand in front of it. Let it focus.
There we go. So, basically, this seat was so disgusting that none of the 3 cleaners we tried, including Dylan's industrial stuff, worked. In the end, the thing that made it come this clean even, we went to the dollar store and bought a jug of LA's Totally Awesome laundry detergent. I soaked the whole seat with it. We scrubbed and vacuumed. So needless to say, like the rest of the interior parts over there, this will be dyed black. Probably along with every other seat and thing in the car. Thanks for watching, guys. I know we've been bombarding you with videos lately, but this project we're trying to get done as fast as possible, as efficiently as possible, and with a low as a budget as possible. And my son is doing a very good job helping destroy my basement that I just cleaned. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. There's going to be more garbage coming at you. So,
Where do you think you're going?
gotta go. Bye.